3, 4, 1, 2,
Let's
3.
get into
너
the
그래 너
video.
요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rukhsar and I create videos on nails. First of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this pretty nail art design. And this is Eid special. For the first time, actually, I have tried 3D nail art. So I really hope you guys will like it. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Keep watching. First of all guys, I'm removing this sticky layer of base coat which I have applied, and then next I'm going to take this nude and pink pastel color which I'm going to mix it with top coat so that I can achieve the transparent look. But actually I didn't like the color, and then I have added the brown shade so that I can achieve the color I want. Now I'm going to apply this shade on all my nails quickly. Now I'm applying the second coat guys, which is an optional step. If you find with the single coat, you can totally skip this. So I will quickly go ahead and apply it on all my nails. Now guys, I'm taking this builder gel to achieve the 3D nail art, and what I'm going to do is on 3 nails I'm going to draw diagonal lines, and on remaining 2 nails I'm going to create some borders with some zigzag lines on it so that it will look like a 3D. And I'm quickly going to finish drawing all the designs. Next guys, I'm taking my eye palette, and from that I'm taking brown shimmer which I'm going to apply on all the 3D nail art which I have created. By this actually I'm giving darker and shimmery look to my 3D nail art designs which I have created on all my nails. Next, it's time to apply some stones to achieve the Eid special look, and for that guys, I am placing one moon and one star on 2 different nails along with some glitter so that I can achieve the look I want. For the right hand guys, I have applied the darker shade, which is the only difference which you guys will see, and again I will follow all the same steps which I have done before. I will explain the steps for you guys. First is applying the 3D nail art with the help of builder gel, and after curing it apply the shimmer which is a darker shade of your nail paint, and on top of that again apply the builder gel to place the stones and glue them properly. While applying the shimmer, if it touches your skin, that is totally fine. You can remove it using acetone or nail paint remover at the end. Last step is guys to apply the top coat to finish the look. So I will quickly go ahead and apply the top coat on all my nails. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys have liked it, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching guys.